Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally filming the long-awaited kitchen tour, and I wanted to film this today because I'm thinking about maybe doing a DIY project where I paint the kitchen cabinets myself. I'm just a little tired of the all-white theme in my house, and I feel like the house just needs a little bit of color. So I will be painting these cabinets very soon. So I wanted to show you what it looks like right now, and if you want to see a more bare bones version of this kitchen, I filmed a video about 2-3 years ago when I first moved into the house, and the house was a complete fixer-upper, so this kitchen just completely started from scratch. So if you want to see what it looked like before, I'll leave the link to the video here or here. So yeah, things have kind of changed around a lot since I moved in. I've been moving things around, kind of changing the theme in here. I'm pretty happy with how everything is looking right now. So before I paint it, I wanted to show you what it looks like. Also, I just want to mention this is not like a kitchen organization video where I'm opening all the cabinets and showing you everything that's inside. I personally find that a little weird to have the whole world of the internet know where all of your things are. So I won't be showing you all the little nitty-gritty of where everything is, but I wanted to show you the general stuff that I think people are most interested in. So enough talking, let's jump into the video. One thing I really love about this kitchen would have to be the natural light that comes pouring through the windows. I have a big window right above my sink, and I also have French doors that lead to the backyard. So let's start with the left side of my kitchen. This is where I keep some of my smaller appliances, so my microwave, toaster, rice cooker, blender. I have these things out because these are things that I use pretty much every single day, so I want to have it nice and convenient. And right above that, I have my open shelves. This is where I keep my plates and my bowls, things that I use pretty much every single day. And on the top shelf, this is where it's a little harder for me to reach. So up here is more of the decorative items like a cute recipe box and a fake plant. And in case you're wondering, the open shelving does require a little more upkeep. It can get very oily and dusty up here, so I have to make sure I wipe it down at least once a month. And if you saw my first kitchen tour, you'll notice that I do have a new stove. This is the new KitchenAid commercial range, and I love it so much. I have it in the color milkshake, and it's just so amazing. I feel like a chef when I'm cooking with this, and it also just makes the kitchen look so much more elevated. I recently felt such an urge to add some color to my all-white kitchen, so a quick solution I made was by hanging up this little calendar on the subway tile. I really love how this turned out. It's just a small little touch, but it makes me so happy every time I see it. And then right below that, this is where I keep some of my essentials, such as salt and sugar, and these little containers were gifted to me by Wa's mom. I believe she found it at a yard sale. The newest addition to my kitchen would be the Bermuda set. I have the toaster oven and the kettle. The toaster oven is hands down the best toaster oven I've ever used in my life. It's not only pretty to look at, but it works amazing. And right above that, I have more open shelving. This is where I keep my cups and my bowls, things that I use every single day. And I realize that this shelf is not the most aesthetically pleasing, but it is functional, and I think that's what's most important about a home. And now moving on to the right side, I have my big farmhouse sink, and right above it, we recently added this piece of wood, and I love this little detail so much because I'm able to put my plants there and just little things that need light. On the right side, this is where I keep my coffee station. This area is a little crammed, and I'm still trying to figure out what's the best solution here, but for now it works, and I really enjoy using the Nespresso machine for my coffee. And I also have some of my everyday mugs and things like that right here on the shelf, so that's accessible whenever I need it. And in case you're wondering, these bamboo shelves are from the Container Store. I like that these kind of act as a storage solution where I can create a little more counter space. So right below that, this is where I keep my onions and garlic. In the middle of my kitchen, I have this huge kitchen island, which I'm so glad I have. When I was renovating the house, I was so close to not putting a kitchen island in because I wanted more free space, but this turned out to be a space I use all the time for cooking and prepping. And on the opposite side of the wall, this is my storage / pantry area. I don't have a walk-in pantry, as you can see, so these cabinets act as a place for me to store all of my food and my first aid kit and things like that. So I think that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and liked seeing a deeper look into my kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I will be working on my cookware collection video very soon for those of you who are interested to see that. And in the meantime, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is just my first name @Weylie, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.